Guys, just like every day, it's always something. And look where I am. That's right, I'm at the laundromat. And guess what? I've got another dryer to repair. Oh no. As I've learned in the past, first step to repairing a dryer is removing this back panel to get to all the electrical parts. I had to go get change because it's a damn coin-operated dryer. Okay, I've got the back off. And these are the little things that I have to test. There's a couple here, and a couple up in here too. I've got my tester, but this is the nerve-wracking part. I'm scared of electric. Okay. Here's my tester, and when you touch it to it, if you hear a beep, that means it's okay. I hope I can hear it over Mark. He's out there moving those decks. Oh God, I'm a little bit nervous. Okay, that one's good. Now this. Oh God, it's okay too. Oh, thank God. One more up here. I know you can't see it, but I'm going for it now. Oh God. Oh God. Just kidding. That was the last dryer I did. Now I'm gonna go back and test that last one. It's working. They're all working. I don't know where to go next. I know, to the internet. Okay, after checking all those little doohickeys in the back with my tester, I was checking their continuity. Oh, fuck. Anyways, they were all good. This actually turned out to be the problem with my other dryer. So I luckily have extras of these coils, and I'm going to just change those out, and hopefully that's what the problem is again. So without taking this whole sucker apart, I'm just going to cut those, pull those valves off, put the new ones in, put the screw on. No more dangerous electrical work for me. So that's what I'm going to do next. Okay, I got my little screwdriver. I'm just going to go ahead and loosen the little screws inside there. This one right here, I'm just going to get my hand in there. It fit, I can't really get it in there, but we'll just keep working my hand in there. And I think we got it. Ow!
What are you doing yourself? What are you doing down there?
Oh God. Oh God. What happened? What happened? I was just unscrewing. Oh God. Oh God.
Trying to execute yourself.
Oh my God. I'm so shaky. Okay, this has not been going well. I'm still a little bit shaky. I'm putting in on the back, but when I was doing that, I ripped out the damn gas line. Now I gotta fix that. Just got it flared. I ain't real happy with it. I'm tired and I'm shaky. Stupid electric. There should have been no electric going to that. Okay. It's together. It's ready to go. I gotta get rid of this. But I wanted to try it, but my money, I thought I had money to put in it, but I don't. I'll have to go get more money. Where's my money? Right, I went and got some more money, put it in, and it's working. Dryer number 2. I should start my own dryer repair business. See you guys.